Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the AI brain on ClickUp. And this is a tool that you can see as your AI assistant. So right now I'm having here my own business employee planning standing right here. And I can change everything by myself, but I can also ask my AI brain to change some task or to change the statuses or maybe which persons didn't reach the deadlines. You can use that AI brain as an assistant. So for this, we go right here to our spaces and then we select right here the place where we want to use the AI brain on. So then after this, we select right here this Ask AI tool, and then you will find right here a pop-up screen with a lot of options that we can use. So right here are some examples that we can ask our assistant. Let me move my face cam a little bit right here to the middle. So this is a lot better. So now you have a full view of this AI tool. So right now you see here some examples that we can do. So maybe summarize getting started guide in a document, or update client status to up for renewal. Now we have also right here future. So create a super agent, generate images. Crazy guys that this tool can do that. Now we can also do deep search or search on ClickUp. We can also do some reports right here or think and create. And we have more tools, so post, task, comments, stuff like that, or set the reminders. So this is now where we can ask something. So let's say we want to change the job roles for the PM recruitment. And let's ask the brain right here something like change for the priorities job, and then we do this, the status from in progress to complete, something like this. Then you send it, and then right now he is thinking, and you see also the steps that he is doing right there. Boom. And now if you go right here to our priorities, you see right here that the job is completed. So now he also describes all the steps that he did for our workspace, and then you will find it back right here. So this is exactly your assistant, and you can ask exactly everything that you want. He can also create stuff for you, but you can use it very easily in your ClickUp. So seriously, if you don't using this tool, you are missing opportunities. So this is how you can use the AI brain right here on ClickUp. If you have any questions about this AI brain, please comment it down below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.